All right, and then I will save another copy that I'm going to analyze. So I'm going to have two scans for the month. One is the raw scan, and the other one is just the analyze scan for that particular month. So let me go into this folder to see exactly how I set up the folder. So when I open up this folder, you see that I have the analyze scan and the raw scan. So in the raw scan, you notice that I have, say, for example, January 2022, February 2022, all the way to December 2022. So in each of this folder, I'm going to put the raw scan for each month. So once I download it, I'm going to save a copy to, for instance, we're in January, right? I'm going to save a copy to the January folder, right? Likewise, I'll save a copy in the analyze folder under January, and this is what I'm going to use for my analysis. So at every given month, I have two copies of the scan, one raw scan and the other one is the analyze scan based on the month. So as I go, and if something happens down the line and then they ask me for the scan analysis for a particular month, you know, in the past, I can always go back to my local folder and I can give them without going back to any repository looking around to see where I download or where I store my scans and stuff like that. So it's a good practice. This is not required. This is something that works for me.